Want to go outside? Here, boy, I'll give you a peanut. Want to go outside? Here, boy. You like those M&M's, don't you, boy?
To live in Hawaii, you just have to want it.
They say he was born to help people clean. But there are some places even Mr. Clean doesn't want to lug a whole bunch of cleaning supplies. That's why he created the Magic Eraser Extra Power. Just one eraser is versatile enough to clean all kinds of different surfaces. And 3 times more grind per swipe. So instead of fussing with rags and buckets, you can get back to the great outdoors. Which can be pretty great. That's why when it comes to clean, there's only one missing.
After my accident, I had serious pain, so I used Lawn Pos. It's the strongest labeled pain reliever available without a prescription. Lawn Pos is serious relief against mild to tougher, moderate pain. Lasted 12 full hours.
Boy, what'd you say?
We're all aging. But that should never keep us from living. Visit Brookdale.com to customize your senior living solution today.
You want another peanut?
First dates can sometimes be a little awkward. But
Come here, boy.
he's a lot of fun.
Peanut?
And so I'm really excited. And so is Charlie.
People who join Match are 3 times more likely to find a relationship than people who don't.
Man, you just tearing those M&M's up, boy.
Match.com. More dates, more relationships, and more marriages than any other site. Start for free today. The conversation about her mortgage didn't start here. It began on her vacation in Europe. On the day she arrived in London, someone set up a bogus hotspot, stole her identity, and opened some credit cards in her name. But she's not worried. Checking her credit reporting score at Experian.com allowed her to better address the issue and move right in. Experian.
Go, buddy.
After 2 weeks of renovations on Saruch and Corey's house, the open concept living space is taking shape.
Can't go outside, it's too cold, boy.
Jonathan is trying to keep the homeowners happy, but he needs to keep the remodel on schedule and on budget.
Today there's something very special being delivered to the house. I wanted to give Corey and Sarush a house where they could walk in the front door and see clear through to the back. So I've opted to give them a custom-made accordion-style door. You can't just walk into a store and expect in our timeline that they're going to have a product that works for you. So I've called in a friend whose company makes these doors. So he has custom-made these doors and has flown them in personally to make sure they get installed on time. There's a lot involved in structuring for a door like this, and so we're doing a dry fit to make sure that it will actually fit.